Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, as you can see here, we have the Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. A smartwatch with a sporty look and inspired by the rectangular Watch Ultra clone smartwatch, or just Watch Ultra clone, as you can see here. Okay, so it is a rectangular in design, okay, in shape, but this one, it is circular. Okay, so for those who are looking for a circular smartwatch but with a features of the Watch Ultra clone, okay, especially on the different buttons, okay, Z78 Ultra is one of the few smartwatches with this design or features. Okay, so we are going to check on the menus and features of the smartwatch. Okay, if you watch our previous video, it's all about design and specs. This time we are going to check on the menus and features of this wearable. So if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, okay, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch, and as you can see here, we put it on the charger, the magnetic charging cable here. Okay, as we only have 4% battery life. Anyway, still it works. We can access the menus and features, so let's check it out. So we have here at least 3 buttons. The crown button here with the rotary function, so you can cycle to the different menus and features as well as the watch faces. So this one, it is, I think it is the return button and power, or for the display screen if you want to power off the display screen, or if you access, okay, other features, you can just press this one to go back. Okay, while this one, this is the sports function. Okay, for the menu, it has the typical setup of the Watch Ultra Clone smartwatch. On top we have, okay, again, the quick settings. Okay, so let's check it again. We have here the quick settings, and seems like we have an option here to add something. Okay, so this is new. You can add, we have here the body temperature, settings, and other functionalities here, so you can add your own. Okay, let's add this one. Okay, did we add it? Yes. Go back, let's check. Okay, so it's already here, as you can see. Okay, I don't know if you can remove it or not. Okay, you can also remove it. Okay, that's good. So it's a new feature. So style, so it has a menu style, different menu style. Again, tap on it, so we have here somewhat like a rotary, circular. So grid style, the same with this. Okay, this one is like a honeycomb style, bubble type. Circular, this one. Okay, this bubble style also in different format, so I'm going to pick this one. Okay, on the bottom part we have the notifications. Go back. On the left side we have, so seems like we have a grid something here. Okay, so different features here, maybe the quick access, or you can add your own thing. So grid type, menu, go back, and here the main functions, so main features. Okay, just swipe, you can add your own. Let's check, add your own cards here. I'm going to pick this one. Okay, press on the bottom part again, the notifications. For the menus and features, let's check. Just press this round button here. We have the dial pad, messages, also have the contacts, call logs, that is for the Bluetooth call. We have the exercise, activity, sleep function, music control, also have the heart rate. We also have the blood pressure here, blood oxygen monitoring, Also have the Facebook here. So these are all notifications only. You cannot reply or check the Facebook account here, just the notifications. Okay, for the sports function, let's go back. Let's press this one, orange action button here. Okay, so we have the running, walking, football, badminton, tennis, basketball, ping pong, swimming. Okay, so we have a feature for swimming here, but I don't think you can use this one while swimming. Just be careful. Okay, I don't trust the IP68 or 67 rating here of the smartwatch. You have horse riding, yoga, skipping rope, climbing, lifting dumbbells, diving, martial arts, stretch, tug of war. Can we use this one? Okay. Skiing, surf, sit-ups, archery, skating, curling, car race, horse riding, taekwondo, volleyball. Okay, we have a comprehensive list of sports function here, as you can see. That's very good. Okay, there's a lot of sports included here in the smartwatch. So until paraglider. Going back, let's check about the running. Okay, so it monitors for the time here, the steps, distance, calories, and beats per minute. Okay, SOS. Where's the settings? Let's add the settings here. This one. Okay, going back. Okay, let's access the settings here. So we have dial, smart island. Okay, so that one I think is the smart island. Let's check. Oops. Go back. Nope. What do you think is smart island? Okay, so let's check again. So I already activated this one, deactivated it. Okay, going to check on that. So I'm not really familiar with the smart island here. Okay, key definition, gesture. Okay, maybe lift your wrist. Have a vibration, do not disturb, password. It's also has a feature for security, language, multiple language support, as you can see here. Okay, so let's go back. Time settings, NFC, connect the phone, SOS, restore factory, reboot, and about. Z78 Ultra version 1.12. Okay, so these are the features of the smartwatch. What's the key definition? Heart rate. Okay, so these are the features that you like to, I think, let's pick this one. Heart rate. Let's see what will be some changes. We have some changes. Nothing. So they've been using new features here or options that I'm not familiar. Okay, going to check on that. Okay, so far it has a comprehensive list of sports function. I also like this one, the quick settings. There's a lot of options here. You can add or you can remove it. Okay, it's not fixed anymore compared to the previous smartwatches. Okay, that they have a fixed quick settings. So this one you can add your own. Okay, there's a lot of, or there's additional personalization to your smartwatch. Okay, so this is your Z78 Ultra Smartwatch. Okay, menus and features available in the wearable. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have the time. Bye.